A big hello and welcome to all the planner mums, glam mums and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So firstly, I would like to begin with wishing each one of you a very happy Diwali. I'm shooting it on Diwali day, that is the 14th of November. A Diwali full of light, full of all your heart desires are fulfilled. I wish each one of you. Diwali is a festival of light and it is a Hindu festival, and we celebrate it with lots of prayers, with family, burning crackers, lighting lot of diyas and candles. Cracker part I'm not very fond of because it just is noise pollution and air pollution, but the diya, the candle, the cooked good yummy foods are something I really enjoy, spending time with your family. And so I wish each one of you also a very beautiful 2021 ahead and a happy Diwali. So let's begin. So today's video is going to be about my Simply Gilded fall collection launch video. So what are the things I picked up? I'll quickly show you. So each, as you know, each of her whatever you order, you get this journaling card. This looks like this. Give thanks. All right. Also you get a sampler for the stickers, and also you get a small this bow. Yeah, it's a beautiful bow you get with every of her launches that you buy, and you will get. I just wanted also to inform you guys that the Simply Gilded collection for the Simply Gilded subscription box, I have stopped it because I'm getting in what I really want, what I really like is the washies. So whenever she launch something, I'll buy that rather than spending money like every month for just the box, which I am happy with till now, whatever I got, and I'm sure the future ones are also good. But for me, what I really need are washies. So every few months, whichever launches her pre-sales, I will order during that time. And as such, I said from January I want to start saving more, not only for a new mobile that I plan to buy, but also for other things in my life. And of course I'll have one smaller haul starting from January. Now I've stopped buying everything already from November. All the things that are coming are the ones that I bought previously. All of them would be coming, so look forward. There are a lot of things coming, but Black Friday definitely I'll be ordering something. So a lot of hauls still remaining till December I would be showing. That's why I'm not, sometime I'll post 2 or 3 videos during this holiday season in my YouTube channel, and from January again I'll begin with like 1 video a week. So the first is this beautiful spice collection. I got the whole collection. This is like a shade of pink, right? This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful washi with the gold foiling. I think it is pink salt, something like that she calls, and it has this gold foil. How they are swatched, I'll show it to you. The second thing is this one. It's a, all of these washis are still, she already had a Christmas holiday launch yesterday, but I didn't buy anything. I have it in my cart, but during Black Friday I'll pick up some of those. But this is her fall collection, which she still has. If you're interested, you can get with the gold foiling at the back. Let's see how pretty. I also got this paprika. It's a red. See how beautiful with the gold foiling again. I love the fall collection. I love the leaves and everything. It's when I'll put it together. So these are the 4 big ones that I got. This is how they look together. This is the spice collection. I also got the 5mm, which I really love. You can see these are all, they have 5, so I got these. There's 6, sorry. So these 4 I got the bigger ones. All right, and these 2 I didn't pick up. This is, I think, cinnamon, and this is poppy seed, which I didn't, but I might pick up both of them during my Black Friday. This is how they look. These are the 5mm. This is the spice collection altogether, the 5mm and the bigger, the 10 and the 15. So these are how pretty they look together. See, So this is I love the collection. If you are like somebody who's just starting with Simply Gilded, you might like to get this collection because there are different, she mostly does pastels and light colors, so when you get the option to get some dark colors, go buy it. And these are the floral floor. Again, you know, I love different colors. This is like a gray reddish like that, and this is a beautiful pink. Oh my god, this is a very beautiful pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors, and this is the floral floor with gold foiling ribbons. This is how it looks like. Let me quickly show you how it looks. I already swatched them for you. These are only the washes I picked up. I didn't want you to pick up everything what I really wanted. I picked up, but I got some sticker books, which was like, oh my god, you will love this. This is a plaid one. For me, this plaid one is like Christmas, speaks out Christmas to me. The red and black is so elegant. This was a bundle, so you buy these two, you get little discounted rate, plus you get this beautiful thing. She has a very beautiful blue during her this launch, Christmas launch, the New Year launch. I might get that one, that bundle as well. So this is how very good quality. You can use these albums for stickers or for your family photos. For me, the Witching Hour, the big one, I would definitely be buying for my family album photos. But generally this is how. So here you can put the smaller ones. This is for mostly for my stickers. This will be for my stick with the plan stickers I have hauled last month, so they will be put here. And they are all vegan leather with the scalloped end. Oh my god, and the quality and the feel, it's bendable, very beautiful. Her sticker album, for the price, it's a very good quality sticker albums, and I think I'm getting addicted to it. And this one is this one I've got for my massive pumpkin paper co haul that I would be having. This is how it looks like. See how pretty. Again, I think around 80 stickers you can add in this, 40 double-sided. And you see the sticker, the quality is so good. It's not like, you know, you put and both sides will be visible. Each of them have separate pocket, and all the pockets are this way, so when you put the sticker, they are not falling out from here. You get it? I might put some photos also in the bigger album, but this one is for stick with the pumpkin paper co, and this is for the stick with the plan. I also got another one. This will again be for my, this is for my some Coffee Monster Co, and some of my what you call Once More with Love. So this is an extra. Now the next ones are only the bigger ones I'll be getting. Again, this is called the Witching Hour, and I have to get the bigger one, which I will use for my family album. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look how pretty this is. It just has this shine. The same shine in blue color is her new album. Oh my god, look how pretty. I love this color. It's called Witching Hour. I would call it Magic Hour. It's magical, like really so pretty. And then you open again, and then you can put your stickers. For the moment, I'll show you the ones that are being used. When I say I'm getting these albums, they are really being used completely. So this is the bigger album that I had, Aloha box, which I was only going to keep for my Simply Gilded subscription box. But since I'm going to stop the subscription box, and I've had I think 5 subscription box already, so those 5 kits are here. I will after I get all my stickers. I think mostly by Jan you would be getting a whole sticker all of my sticker collection I would be showing you. See all the freebies I put here. All the freebies I am putting here for Simply Gilded, and these are still the subscription box, followed by all the journaling cards. So this will be all my journaling cards I'll be putting, and in future I'm going to just put these journaling cards in a frame and just change them whenever I need. So it's from Coffee Monster Co and so on. So this album is for that purpose, and this one is for my Coffee Monster Co, which is full. but I have put so many together, so I need to organize them in the other album, in the Vichinga. So that's it. So this was my small haul from Simply Gilded. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and do leave in the comments what are your plans for holiday season, and take care. Wish all of you, I would definitely be having a giveaway by end of this year for New Year for 2021. I still have to decide which shop I will be getting for, whether it will be skincare. Do let me know what you guys would like. This will be a small thank you to my subscribers. Now I have reached 1800, so help me out with some subscribers. If I'm 2000, I'm definitely going to have a big giveaway. So let's see what comes first, New Year or the subscribers. Please, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do share it with your family and friends. This is the only way. The more you watch my videos, the more I can fund my ventures like this, because of course my husband also chips in with to me, but I use a lot whatever is generated from my channel and showcase all these things to you. So I hope you all continue watching my videos and share with your friends, and you enjoy this. I hope my videos are those relaxing time for you and you enjoy watching them. And now what I do with these, you can always follow me in my Instagram and see my life with Baby S. Maybe next year I will start doing some planning videos as like the plan with me videos as well. All right then, take care. May God bless each one of you. Thank you again for watching. I'll be posting this video again today, so at least it comes on during Diwali time and people watch it. And then next week I'll have my Once More with Love haul, and if Planner Perfect comes, I would post that as well. Thank you again. Take care.